today we are gonna sketch some emotes. We will gonna make plans for future streams. Yeah, I think it will work. And I think the second emote will be way better than first. At least the sketch part. So, to make this sketch, let's draw Itami. Oh, poor guy. Okay. It will have chin, unlike this one, what has round face. Right? And let's don't forget Itami has a lot of scars. To be honest, his scars always a little bit a pain in us when I'm drawing him off without shirt. To be honest, I draw Itami so much that I can draw him with close days maybe. He has his onion hairstyle, right? His onion hairstyle. He has here black hairs, a little bit. He has here a little scar. Let's make here a little bit tears. Here. Now, let's don't forget to put hairs too, because, you know, bald Itami, it's like not right now. Itami is not bald right now. Unlike me. Imagine him with a blow. Oh my god, he will look horrible with bald. Yeah, it will be horrible. But it's a nice idea. I think I will draw it for me and show you guys. Here is Itami. Sorry. No. Here is Itami's face. This boy's crybaby. And his shoulders should be... Usually I draw Itami very muscular, but it's a chibi, so we don't have to. We just need to make sure he has shoulders CM, biceps CM, triceps CM. Oh no, it's too muscular for the chibi thing. I think I will simplify his arms like this. Okay, let's not forget that chibi always should be soft, rounded emotes. It's really important to don't take out from the style. Here. Oh, I think it will be nice to add his sword right here. Nice. Oh, I think this emote looks really good. I think we will cut it here. Okay, let's not forget emote should be on the cube. It's like an optimal thing. And of course on the Twitch chat I will make sure to add this one. Another emote. So these emotes will be on Twitch chat too. It's nice. I love it. It's so cute. I think we need to add text too. No, I think not, because on the chat it won't be really visible. So we have to draw Sabet. Oh, maybe Tami's. Oh, Yuna. Nice idea. We need an idea for the emote. Yuna have guns, so we will make her hold a gun. Yuna, she's always mad. Let's be honest. So she will be mad. Oh, and she will be pointing gun at you. Yeah. Like, now I need to think, should we make it a little bit like on the camera or a bit far away? I think on the camera would work nice, right? On the right, we should make a cube here as a guidelines, right? It will be our guidelines. Now, to make this possible, we need to mark the place where her gun will be pointing at us. It's really important to decide it on this sketch page, because when you will be making line art, you won't be able to like visualize it on that stage correctly. So her gun will be here, right? The barrel, and it will be go here. Here will be a a fingertip. Here will be a handle. Here A will be really wide open and mad. Now we need to make her chin. I think to make it more scary, we need to make it not as cycle-like and just look insanely. Thank you. It looks insanely amazing. Thank you. So what I wanted to say, we need to make it a bit sharp because let's not forget the soft sides are about sad, about being not aggressive, but right now she's aggressive and mad, so we need to make her shapes a little bit more pointy, right? We need to tell a story with all shapes. And daring emotes is really important too. So we will making her chin a bit pointy here. Like it's also, let's not forget we are using a chibi style, so we can't make it sharp. We need to make it sharp compared to another soft sides of other emotes, right? Okay, and then to make her look like mad on the sketch page, because I will say it again, the sketch page is about planning, so we need to draw it like this, so our future self who will be making line art and coloring to be able to understand what we wanted to this art look like. So she's mad, and her whole face should be in the shadow. Okay, now what we need to do is put on her clothes, like to draw a torso, because without torso you can't have hands. You need the hands to connect to something. I'm right? So we have here her coat, her hands, bam. Nice, we have it done. I think I will make a simple coloring because I love this one. Right, it look cool. So I will make a secondary thingy. I have a color palette here made by myself to pick up colors faster while drawing webtoon, because let's not forget drawing webtoon is more about speed, right? Oh, look who we have here. It's Burger. He's joining our stream, right? Nice, Chloe. Okay, now let's do a simple sketch colors. So we have here her skin tone, right? I think it will be nice to delete it. No, this one. Skin tone. Burger, yes, look at him. This is a big bunny boy. And let's don't forget he's in my comics too. You will be able to see on the next episode of the Preset Hero on Webtoon. He's there, yeah. And he's doing a big things. So, the main idea of this emote is she's angry. So, to make her angry a bit more look like angry, we need to make her face in shadow and make sure this A is highlighted, because it makes this hard and mad expression. You can look at the burger on the corner of my webcam. I will I will sit here so you guys can watch him. Oh, I think it's a little bit hard. Okay. So to make it possible, we need to use an airbrush, soft airbrush. Just do this. Look, it's already look mad, right? It's good. It's good. Yeah. Oh my God, it's so good. Here. Yeah. One moment. I promise it won't take a lot. I just want to see it. And it will be in shadows here. Right here. Shadow, shadow, shadow. Shadows, shadows, more shadows. Tuck, tuck. And a little bit highlights. It will be nice to have. So, the end will be something like this, but like more polished. I just wanted to show you how it will look. Oh my God, I love it. So, we are done with the emote.